Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will see how to delete the record from our database using Sqlite. Why we delete our records? If our employee leave the company, so it's necessary to delete the records, means remove that employee from the database, means the salary information, means the salary or any of the other thing is not shown to him. For that purpose, we are using the delete record. So I am just using the update record code here. You can see here we have the connection which is equal to null, and try here our database is created. Now after that we are just using the statement which is equal to C and create the statement. As our last lecture, I am just using the update company set record, but I just remove this query and here I just write delete from company where ID is equal to 2. Okay, and then the statement execute and then select from this record and all the record same here, but we are just simply enter the delete query in the code. Run this code, database open, and now just not checked here, and you can see our database record is deleted here. I just show you another magic. New record, and here I just write record is Fayaz, age is 25, and it's USA, and the salary is 2000 dot a float value. I just save this, go to the code, select command and execute it. You can see a new record is found here with the name of Fayaz, age 25, address USA, and this one. And you can see when I just delete this record from here and go to the code and run, so you are not finding any of the I just not save this record here and run this code, so you cannot find any of the record of the Fayaz with the database. So this is the simplest way to create the database, but we are just creating the database from the scratch, so that's why I'm just using the code here. So this is a simple example of deleting the record from Sqlite. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.
If you are looking for teaching stuff, education stuff, programming series, application, and Android development, coding skills, marketing skills, presentation skill, paid courses for free are available. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.